Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Hair Hacks. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video, today I will show you beautiful haircuts and hairstyle. Haircuts will change your personality and volumize your hair. So my dear friends, let's talk about today's trendy fashion about hairs. Short hairs, haircuts and hair color are today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will cut your hair, you will color your hair into different style and different sizes like layer cutting, shaggy haircuts, layer fine haircuts, pixie haircuts, layer curvy cuts, short bob cuts, step cutting and much more haircuts. These kinds of cutting will change your personality, look great, gorgeous and stylish. And my dear friends, if you are a new subscribers on my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and like my all videos and share it with your friends, family members and all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of videos do you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. You are watching my video. Keep supporting me. Keep on watching. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas and new trendy fashion about hair. We will be right back with new video and new trendy haircuts. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me. Till then, take care and bye.